guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video for Halloween in 2018 and I'm so excited because I was able to put two looks together. This Frida is from the movie Coco. As you see, it's super animated because Coco is a kids movie. Obviously you're here to see the makeup, so without any further ado, please remember to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias, and we will be good. Hey guys, as you know, this is my second Halloween look for 2018. The first thing that we're gonna do is exactly what we did for the Chucky video, which by the way, if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. We're gonna have to look at a reference photo. This is a reference photo that I have. I love this photo. She's giving so much sass. Like, who do you think you are? I'm Frida. Like, come correct. Sporting all sorts of 2018 fashions. Well, now that we have our reference photo, we are going to begin. Create the outline of her skull with a little bit of white. Alrighty, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics SFX Cream Color Face and Body. Now I'm going to outline the eyes. This area here is going to be all black. Circle, bring it around my eyebrows. That way I don't have to worry about filling them in or canceling them out with a glue stick. Oh my gosh. Using this background and mirror reminds me so much of the NYX Cosmetics video that I did. The one of the scary porcelain doll. If you guys haven't seen that, go check that one out. Good times, good times. If you see a reference photo of Frida, well, the Frida in the movie Coco, she has like an upside down cute little extended narrow heart for her nose. So next up, we're gonna mix a little bit of white with a little bit of yellow because I don't want that bone, that skeleton, to be extra white because it's just not how it is. You like my nails, by the way? Halloween themed, you know. I have this Paradise Makeup AQ, which is the color yellow. This is by Mayron, and I'm gonna mix it in with the white color that I just had, and I'll just put a little bit of white here. Just take some of the yellow and mix it in there. Perfect color. Make sure you don't take too much yellow. And with this brush that is the 07 by NYX Cosmetics, we're gonna just take all our paint. We're gonna paint it on our face. You're not coloring the lips because later on we're gonna color it with a voluptuous red. That same paint. Create the skeletal structure, which goes here, and we're gonna do like a little heart on this area. I'm gonna do it directly down. We're leaving space because here in this area we're gonna create the shirt. So just bring it up to there. My bones pop out like that, so weird. So just to that area right there. All right, and right where my bones, color right on top of that. Keep on creating the skeleton just by doing like a heart, not a heart, but like a kind of like a circle-ish. As you see, I finished the skeletal structure. What I'm gonna do now is her top. It is like an orangey red and yellow as well. We're gonna first create the yellow lines, then I'm gonna go in with the orange. Alrighty. I need to make orange, like an orange red color. The red NYX Cosmetics SFX Cream Color Face and Body Paint. I also have the Mayron Paradise Makeup AQ. I'm just gonna mix these two colors together. Now we're gonna make the outside of her shirt. These are the sleeves. Now I'm going to take the black color, which is also by NYX Cosmetics, the SFX Cream Color Face and Body Paint. And you could take the same brush you're using. Since black is darker than red, it won't show up like a different color. All the areas where you see skin, we're going to fill it in with black. And I'm also going to get my hairline just a little bit. The good thing about these is that they do come off with water. I don't want any visible skin showing. And we are also going to color our ears because it's going to look crazy if everything else is black and then we just have ears floating around. Next up, we're going to take a little bit of that white yellow. We're going to add our skeletal arms. Then we're going to take the black that we've been using earlier from NYX Cosmetics just to blend into the background. For this step, you could use any color that's like a brownish, darkish, black color just to create shadows. I decided to go with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to create a little bit of dimension. Onto Frida's shirt, we're going to finish up her top, adding triangles and lines, followed by the black, which we'll be using just a shade in the eye area. I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and the color I'll be using is Abyss. The reason why I'm going to do this is the black stays intact, and when my body sweats, it's not creasing, especially the eye area, because usually this part will definitely crack. Finishing up this look just by adding the final details in the eye area, what I'm doing, I'm just creating a little bit of loops. I started with yellow, then brown, and I'm finishing off with orange. No Frida look is complete without, obviously, the infamous, famous unibrow. What I'm using is my all-time favorite 2-timer liner by NYX Cosmetics to create this look, and then I'll just add in the final details with the flowers on her forehead. Finishing off this look, obviously we have to use the best for the best, which is Frida, and the best lipstick is this one by Fenty. Okay. I actually filmed a review on this last winter. I love this lipstick. We're just gonna finish up doing our hair, adding a little bit of flowers, give it a little Frida twist, and we're good. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys recreate this look, definitely let me know in the comment section here on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. I will definitely see you guys soon because Halloween is not over yet. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.